Alright, we're going to a restaurant about 10 minutes away. It's a little, mostly seafood place, I think. I think it was called the Dockside Bar and Grill. If that's not correct, I'll correct myself. But I don't know how much self-service I'll have over there. But should be a nice little cruise.
72 west for 8 miles.
Nice little cruise and some nice nourishment before we head over to the Terrahala Skyway. So that'll be good. A lot of these roads close to the Tail of the Dragon are still very pretty and very nice curvy little roads. We actually stayed over in Asheville and we explored some of the area to the east of Asheville, including the Pisgah Forest, I think is how it's pronounced. But it's a nice area, some really beautiful roads out there, including one famous road called the Diamondback. And the Diamondback is more of a motorcycle road, but a lot of the motorcycle famous roads are really fun to drive in Miatas also. So we enjoyed that. But next time we come out here, I want to stay a little closer to this side, a little to the west of the Tail of the Dragon, or maybe just straight north, because there are a lot of really cool things to do around on this side also. We did briefly go on Blue Ridge Parkway, which kind of goes all the way through to almost this point. And it kind of starts around the other end of the Tail of the Dragon and it goes up to Virginia. The short portion we saw was a very pretty road, but that's a nice one also. And then, yeah, like I said, we're going to the Terrahala Skyway, which is really famous also. So, anyway, hopefully we have a good lunch here.
parking.
That's funny. Yeah, last time we went to what was it, a Harbor Grill or Marina. There was this weird to us. There was valet parking, which we had never experienced before, but had good food there, so hopefully we get good food here. Alright, you mind showing your food real quick?
Whoever eats first. There you go.
So I got grilled mahi mahi with onion rings and mac and queso, they call it. I don't know why it's different. Seeing some fish. I don't know if you guys can see them. But yeah. Any on the other side? A couple down there. Keep. Alright, we had a. Oh yeah, Julia's suffering.
It's so hot.
Anyway, so that's alright. We'll survive here.
Head northwest toward
We
Harbor Drive.
are at a marina pretty close to the Tail of the Dragon. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna go around this way, and I've selected a little route that only adds 1 minute, but it'll be nice roads in my opinion. We're gonna go through here to a place called Ballpark. I think it's Ballpark, ball play or something. Anyway, then we're gonna go from there down to Tellico Plains. Right here is where the Cherahalla Skyway starts, and it'll go all the way this way. You can see all the crazy twists and turns through there, and then that ends up in Robbinsville. When we're in Robbinsville, I can get gas, and then we'll decide if we're going straight to the hotel or if we're doing anything else today. Sound good?
Yep.
All right. And I'm gonna keep the AC on the whole time, probably. I don't even think I'm gonna put the top down for this portion of the drive. It's really only like 80 degrees, but the car's really hot. So we'll see what happens here. The GPS should work for most of this drive, but if it doesn't, there are only a handful of towns around here, so I should be able to figure out where to go. Pretty confident about that. Although last time I was really confident about where I was going the wrong direction on Blue Ridge Parkway, so that was embarrassing. Man, by the way, our food was fantastic.
It was good. I gave mine 5 yaps.
5 yaps out of 5.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Turn left on Tennessee 72 west.
Yap. I had to count them.
That's good, that's good.
And my drink was really good too. I got it's called a Dockside Sunrise, and it was very good. Very
Okay.
girly.
Yeah, I would have probably given mine like 4. The food, that is, maybe like 3.5. But after I took 1 bite of Julia's food,
West for 1.5
man, it's got to be 4.5 somewhere in there. That was fantastic.
It was good. It was barbecued pulled pork, mac and cheese. It's very good.
Yeah. And I had grilled mahi mahi. I think that was my first time having mahi mahi, so it's hard for me to really compare it. It was a little tougher than some of the fish that I've had, but it was very flavorful in a good way. And then I had onion rings. The onion rings were okay. I mean, they were pretty standard for onion rings. They're kind of like similar to Dairy Queen onion ring. Well, actually, I don't know. They were okay. They did have Heinz ketchup, which is very important, especially for us because we're from Pennsylvania, close to, well, I think, yeah, close-ish to Pittsburgh, where Heinz is originally from, right?
I haven't seen Heinz ketchup since like Wisconsin didn't even have it.
Yeah, I think Culver's has Heinz,
That's true.
but a lot of places don't. A lot of places have like that fancy table ketchup.
Yeah, it's just called fancy ketchup.
It's called
like,
fancy.
It's not even like name brands.
Although I think that is a name brand. I mean, I don't know. It's not good, whatever it is. Heinz is definitely the way to go. And then, oh, and I also had a little bit of mac and cheese myself. Mine was good. but with the barbecue pulled pork, it was fantastic. It was really, really good. So,
All blended together.
yeah, I would highly recommend going there and getting the barbecue mac and cheese. Alright, anyway, I'll probably cut to, if the road's really pretty, we'll cut to where the road's really pretty. Otherwise, I'll meet you over yonder somewhere and I'll let you know where I am.